Putting a fridge in the field involves considerable planning and investment that turn a piece of glass and metal with a thermostat into an asset that has real value. But making an asset return the money of that investment is not always so easy, and usually there are a lot of hidden costs or even losses associated with it. But what if a fridge had a brain? What if a fridge could tell us how to use it, where it is, how to make more money from it? What if a fridge was smart? Find out more at Thyratron Electronic Applications, www.thyratron.gr.